Hey, your weekend gardener here, and what I'm doing today is I'm going to take strawberries. I have a strawberry patch over there, and I'm going to cut individual strawberries and I'm going to root them in a pot. And my goal is actually to put them all the way around the property. Some over here, some over there, some under trees, just all over the property. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I want to increase my harvest. And what I mean by that is, you've seen squirrels on my property, and the squirrels go through everything. But I figure that if I stretch everything out all over the place, I have a better opportunity. Now, the bad part about moving strawberries and planting them all over the yard is strawberries are very, they grow like crazy. Strawberries, they're an invasive vine. That's the word I'm looking for. They're very invasive, which means they can cover an entire yard. So that's the bad part of this, but we're gonna just do it anyway. What I have right here are cooked banana peels, and now they're powder. Okay, so we got banana powder, which I'm gonna be mixing in with everything. Next is, I have egg shells, and these are cooked egg shells, and what I do with cooked egg shells, turn them into powder. Next, you all know what this is. This is wood. What I do with wood, I turn them into wood ash. Chicken bones, what we do with the process with the chicken bones is we put them in the oven, bake them, and then I grind them up and I turn them into bone meal. So we're gonna add all this, and I have some, if you look right here, these are crab shells and shrimp shells that I've cooked and baked, and then I made them into powder.
Romeu, não.
Hey.
Romeu, sai daí.
Yeah, sai daí.
Sai daí.
Sai daí. You don't want no banana powder. Yeah, as you can see, my little movie stars and everything. Come on, homeboy. You don't want no bath dip.
Romeu. Romeu.
Okay, so I'm mixing everything in here. This is leaf compost. This is manure. Eggshells and seafood shells. And doggy loves this stuff. Okay, I think I have just enough to do 5 pots. After this, I'm gonna walk you over to the strawberries and show you what I have so far. Let's go over to the strawberries and see what's happening. And actually, the strawberries started over here. Now they spread all the way down here, down the line. And there's a lot right here. That's not a strawberry. That's not a strawberry. Well, that's a strawberry. Okay, so this is a strawberry. What I'm gonna do this winter is I'm gonna bury it all under leaves to give it some protection. But let me go ahead and grab 4 nice pieces. Oh, this is a good one right here. Look at that root structure. Okay, and we got one right here. So pretty much what happens with strawberries is, as they're growing, they grow underground and they send out these right here. And then they stop and they make more strawberries. As you can see, it's fall time. Look at all these leaves that I have to get up. Usually I gather all these leaves, mulch them up, and I make soil out of them. Leaf mode for next, well actually, it won't be ready for another 2-3 years. I'm gonna put these in a nice comfortable place once I water them in, and probably put some covering over them as it starts getting cold. And like I said, the goal, you see the size now, the goal is to get them bigger by next spring. Who knows, I may even put them in the hoop house. But the goal is to get them big by next spring, so that way I can plant them all over the yard. Thanks for coming with me on this journey. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Peace.